Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Fidelity's retirement income solutions. If you've been wondering how to use Fidelity's retirement income solutions, this video is for you. It's going to be a really quick one. I'm just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and just jump straight into the video. Now, the first thing you want to do is to log into your Fidelity account. Of course, you can do so online on the website, or you could choose to log in on the mobile app on your mobile device. And once you're logged in, you just want to click on retirement and then click on retirement income. And here you're going to browse the retirement income solutions, including annuities, drawdown strategies and whatnot, and just use the solution to create a retirement income plan. And from there on, you can manage your retirement income documents as well as update your retirement income plan as needed in the future, and also use the retirement income solutions to stay organized. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Fidelity's retirement income solutions. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys